If you want to enable or disable Quick Share on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we need to open Settings. Now over here in Settings, we should be able to proceed to Connected Devices. Over here, tap on Connection Preferences, and then we can find Quick Share in this place. Now, in order to turn on or off Quick Share, you can tap on Who Can Share With You, and then you can manage the visibility. This is the main way to toggle Quick Share. So you can turn on or turn off visibility, and when visibility is enabled, you can also decide if you want to be visible just for your contacts, or for everyone for 10 minutes, and so on and so forth. So of course, this option is also quite important. Besides that, if you go to Receive section, your visibility temporarily is set to everyone. So even if your setting is changed, if you go to receive in here, you are visible to everyone until you exit this menu. So of course you can just go here and receive files like this as well. And of course, if you want to send file, we have this send option in here. You can decide what you want to send to someone, and then you can select to whom you want to send, to what device. Besides that, Quick Share should be, I believe, accessible through Quick Settings or the Control Center. There we go. In here we have the Quick Share, so you can just tap over here to quickly open this panel as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.